double the annual rate of energy renovation of buildings and creating jobs. This is the aim of a new EU directive adopted on Tuesday by the European Parliament. Lawmakers adopted the Energy Performance of Buildings Directive, the last and most controversial of 3 reforms in the energy sector. 370 MEPs voted in favour, 199 voted against, with 46 abstentions. The law is supposed to play an important role on the way towards climate neutrality by 2050.
From Monday to Thursday, so we can't do that tomorrow. We do it in bite-sized chunks. So over time, we will gradually improve the energy performance of buildings. And this is a huge benefit to people living in them. It will mean healthier buildings and lower heating bills. And I also say that, particularly with the price spike caused by Putin's war in Ukraine, if we insulate homes, we isolate Putin.
The initial proposal by the European Commission caused outrage in some quarters, in particular the German delegation of the right-wing EPP. It envisaged mandatory renovations of residential properties to improve energy efficiency, sparking worries homeowners would be burdened with high, possibly unaffordable costs. This has been worked around, but prominent German EPP lawmakers are still not enamoured by the directive, accusing the EU of micromanagement.
Und es gibt auch, liebe Kolleginnen und Kollegen, detaillierteste Vorgaben für Fahrradstellplätze und für die Vorverkabelung für Ladesäulen und dergleichen. Und ich unterstütze das Ziel. Ich finde es gut, dass wir in dem Gebäudesektor wirklich auch was machen. Aber der Weg, der jetzt wieder beschrieben ist, dass wir wieder in diese kleinen Mikrodetailregelung hineingehen, den halte ich für falsch.
Buildings are responsible for around 40% of energy consumption and more than a third of greenhouse gas emissions in the 27 EU member states. Apart from buildings, directives on renewable energies and on energy efficiency were updated in the so-named new EU package.